Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. This is our YouTube channel which is exclusively the law channel of iExamB which is Legal Beat. Legal Beat पे हम सारे updates लेकर आते हैं, सारे content and also not only from exam point of view, strategic preparation content, but also the general legal current affairs that is going on. We keep on bringing it to you in the form of the videos on Legal Bee. So Legal Bee को subscribe करना ना भूलें. कोई भी queries हो, एग्जाम से रिलेटेड हो, गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन से रिलेटेड हो, you can reach out to us directly by writing us an email on hello@examb.com. You can also call us on the number 920-552-4028 and visit our website www.iexamb.com. इस पे जाके आप हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज चेक कर सकते हैं, RBI, सेबी, NABARD and what not. You can check out all the courses. इनके आप डेमोज भी एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the hit and run thing, which is very much in the news from so many days, from months, 1 or 2 months. It is the news because of the truck drivers strike. ये hit and run के बारे में actually है क्या and अभी इसका status क्या है when the new criminal law bills have officially commenced, are going to be officially commenced from 1st of July. So hit and run के बारे में क्या status है ये भी हम लोग इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं. Hit and run cases, the new provision is not implemented from 1st of July 2024. But Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is replacing the Indian Penal Code, is having this provision. If BNS, that is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, is being implemented from 1st of July, then why this provision is not being implemented? बट उससे पहले हम लोग ये समझेंगे कि ये हिट एंड रन केसेस होता क्या है. बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हिट एंड रन का मीनिंग ही नहीं पता. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Hit and run is something which is covering the incidences where the driver flees away and without stopping to identify themselves or assist the parties to whom they are causing the harm. So it becomes a hit and run accident. क्योंकि जब वो एक्सीडेंट करके भाग जाते हैं without even caring to see that what was the consequence of their act, this is something which is very, very inhuman and this is very wrong as the person is left to die. It many times happens, especially on the highways and in the night time, that the people are left to die and the person who has done the accident is actually running away. Even if he is negligent in his act, he's not done it purposely. It is not a murder. It is not even a culpable homicide amounting to murder. It is something which is a negligent or a rash driving that has caused that. But the problem is that when he leaves the place and goes away without reporting the police station or any magistrate or any person at all, then what happens? The person dies on the spot and he does not get any kind of medical help on the spot. So इस चीज़ को काफ़ी सीरियसली ले लिया गया है हिट एंड रन के जो एक्सीडेंट केसेस हैं. एंड काफ़ी सारी डेटास चेक करने के बाद गवर्नमेंट ने इसको काफ़ी सीरियसली लेकर BNS में लॉ बनाया है. For civil compensation, we have motor accident provisions, but then in IPC, that is the new BNS, we have to impose liability. So new liability क्या impose की गई है? That is in the section 106 clause 2 of भारतीय न्याय संहिता. इसको आप correlate कर सकते हैं with section 304A of the IPC. That is culpable homicide. उसमें अगर आप रैश एंड नेग्लिजेंट ड्राइविंग की बात करेंगे तो आप 304A में कवर्ड है. तो उसको अभी चेंज किया है भारतीय न्याय संहिता में. चेंज इन द सेंस उसमें एक एडिशन किया है हिट एंड रन केसेस के लिए जो पहले के IPC में नहीं था. दैट इज एडेड इन सेकेंड क्लॉज ऑफ 106. Whoever causes death by rash or negligent driving of a vehicle and thereafter escapes from the scene of incident without reporting to the police or a magistrate will be punished with a maximum of 10 years of imprisonment and will also be liable to fine. So फाइन भी इम्पोज किया जाएगा एंड पनिशमेंट कितनी इंक्रीज कर दी गई है अप टू 10 years. वैसे पनिशमेंट 5 years है बट अगर ऐसा केस होता है तो इट विल बी टू 10 years if it is a hit and run case. So this is what is the punishment as per the भारतीय न्याय संहिता. इसको stringent कर दिया गया है as per this law. पहले IPC में इतनी punishment नहीं थी. It was just 2 years that the punishment was there in 304A, but उसको increase करके 10 years कर दिया गया है in 106(2) of भारतीय न्याय संहिता. एंड उसके साथ फाइन भी अप्लाई कर दिया गया है. And what is the main ingredient over here? That if he escapes from the scene of incidents without reporting to the police or the magistrate, यानी कि यहाँ पे ड्राइवर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को काफ़ी बढ़ा दिया गया है. But then there were various protests on the same, and we all have seen the protests that have taken place. Truck drivers were on roads, and everybody was doing strikes. The tanker drivers, petrol pumps became dry because of that. There was a shortage, and all of us have seen that. So then now when we talk about the implementation of these laws, the 3 laws are going to come into force from 1st of July, but there is an exception to 106 clause 2. You can see this in the notification. In exercise of powers conferred by subsection 2 of section 1 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, the central government hereby appoints the first day of July 2024 as the date on which the provisions of the said Sanhita, except the provision of subsection 2 of section 106 shall come into force. यानी कि सारे provisions in force आने वाले हैं except this provision. Because of the drastic effect that has caused, government had initiated talks, and why let us understand why this protest was there, basically by the truck drivers, tanker drivers. Why? They feel that the drivers will be wrongly accused or responsible for certain things. एंड कई बार ऐसा होता है दैट इंसिडेंसेस हाईवे पर हो जाते हैं, गांव में हो जाते हैं. सो द मॉब बिकम्स वेरी एंग्री एंड देन दे इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट अटैकिंग द पर्सन. सो व्हाट द ड्राइवर डज एट सच टाइम्स, ही लीव्स द व्हीकल एंड ही रन्स अवे. ये इनके आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं, ड्राइवर्स के भी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं, उनके भी कंसर्न्स हैं. एंड दे से दैट जनरली स्मॉलर व्हीकल्स को ही जनरली जो बड़े व्हीकल्स हैं उन्हीं को ज़्यादा दोषी माना जाता है. सो ट्रक्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमेशा ज़्यादा मानी जाती है. दिस इज़ वॉट इज़ द थिंग विच इज़ देयर इन देयर माइंड. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर प्रोटेस्टिंग सो मच फॉर दिस प्रोविजन. क्योंकि अगर ये प्रोविजन रहा सो उनकी हार्डशिप्स काफ़ी बढ़ जाएंगी. सो फिर ऑल दिस वॉज पुट बिफोर द मिनिस्ट्री एंड the letters were sent and so much protest was there, and then finally the matter went to the government. Negotiations were there, and if we look at the reasoning for the stringent law also, the National Crime Records Bureau, if we see, they have provided the numbers are very huge. Hit and run cases are increasing day by day, accidents are increasing day by day, increasing the number of deaths. Every hour we can see certain number of deaths that are taking place. So that's why the government has put this stringent law. But then if we look at the hardships of the drivers, they have their own reasons for that. So if we are talking about the aim of the punishment, it is to cause less negligent acts on the part of drivers that are leading to fatal accidents. Because medical help नहीं मिलने की वजह से उस पर्सन की ऑन द स्पॉट डेथ हो जाती है. अगर वो सेव हो सकता है तो भी उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. So currently what is the situation that is going on? Everything is on hold with respect to this matter, because ये strike को बंद करने के लिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने ये प्रॉमिस किया था that जब तक ऑल इंडिया मोटर ट्रांसपोर्ट कांग्रेस से बात नहीं होगी तब तक इस प्रोविजन से रिलेटेड कोई इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होगा. दे हैव कंप्लीटली रिक्वेस्टेड टू विड्रॉ द प्रोविजन, एंड द AIMTC, that is the All India Motor Transport Congress, it is 86-year-old body which is the apex body of all the transport associations in India. They have said that ask the government to completely withdraw this provision, completely cancel it. And उन्होंने ये assurance दिया था सारे ट्रक ड्राइवर यूनियंस, टैंकर ड्राइवर यूनियंस, सारे ड्राइवर्स को ये अश्योर किया था दैट आप लोग इस चीज़ को समझें एंड वापस अपने अपने काम पर चले जाए, और ये स्ट्राइक एंड हो गई थी. सो इस तरीके से अब ये सिचुएशन स्टैंड बाय मोड पर जा चुकी है. करंटली सिचुएशन ये है कि अभी ये प्रोविजन इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है. ऐसे ही और इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू लीगल बी. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो या फिर आप हमें इससे रिलेटेड कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. And if you are preparing for any examinations, do check out the details on iExamBee's website. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, everybody.